How to use summary blocks. Now, in order to do that, first head over to your Squarespace editor, and from in there, just locate wherein you want to add it. For example, let's add it right here. Click onto this plus icon right there in order to add some elements. Now, in here, you can actually add specific elements based on what you want to edit. So click onto this add block option. Now, into the search bar, search in here for summary, and you can find it right here. Now, what you can do is you can just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. Let's drag it right around here onto this part. And then once you have dragged it, they will be added right here onto your summary tab. So in order to edit it, you can click onto this pencil icon, and you can select in here a page that will have a summary of this. Click on this, and I'll head over and then link in here the store option. Now this will give me a summary of my actual store, and this is what it will look like. You can also choose other summary right here, like in here this one. So you can head over and then just choose which one you want to actually have a summary for this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.